Welcome. To celebrate the 12th anniversary of the launch of the famous Huawei P series in the world, the company decided to launch the completely new generation of the series under the name Huawei Pura 70 in the Chinese market, and this is the phone we are talking about today. It comes with a 6.6-inch OLED screen. It is Full HD Plus with a pixel density of 460 pixels per inch, a brightness of up to 2500 nits, and a refresh rate of 144 Hz. Kunlun Glass 2 protection layer on the screen. It runs on the Huawei Harmony OS 4.2 operating system. Silicon Kirin 9010 octa-core processor, the most powerful Taishan big core with a frequency of 2.3 GHz. The manufacturing precision of the processor is 7 nanometers. The phone is water and dust resistant with IP68 certification. External glass materials with aluminum frame. Storage space, 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB. With 12 GB RAM. The phone supports the NFC sensor. Triple rear camera, main 50-megapixel camera. It features a 13-megapixel selfie camera. It supports shooting 4K quality videos with electronic stabilizer support in all lenses. Stereo external phone speakers. 4900 mAh battery supports 66 watts fast charging and 5 watts reverse charging via USB Type-C, and supports 50 watts wireless charging and 7.5 watts reverse wireless charging. The weight of the phone is 207 grams. This was a quick reference, and we will make another video about its disadvantages and advantages. If you liked the video, write us your opinion in the comments. If you finished the video until the end, thank you very much. Just like that, the video is finished. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share.